Hi, this is DOOGEE V30 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first open the Settings app and then tap to the Wi-Fi section. To activate Wi-Fi option, click to the switcher. If you want to turn it off, click on the switcher once again. After the activating of the Wi-Fi option, you will see here all of the available networks. Select just one from them and enter the password. Then just tap to connect, wait a second, and now we could see that we just successfully connected to this network. Also, we got one more way how we could do that. Just open the control panel and find here Wi-Fi icon. To activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, click to this icon by this way. If you want to launch full Wi-Fi settings, hold it for a while and after that select the network, enter password and tap to connect. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.